For students who wrote JAMB in 2026, this is how to accept your admission. Firstly, let me congratulate you as you have been offered admission by JAMB. So this is the only way you can accept your admission. Mind you, there is no any other way for you to accept your admission except this method I'm about to show you. Now let's start. Though before I start, previously for students to accept admission, it requires you to log into your JAMB portal and you will see a space whereby they will ask you to click accept or reject. You understand? But this time around it has changed. So this is the only method you can use to accept your admission. Ensure you follow this method to the end and do well to share this video to all other students who JAMB has offered admission for them to accept it so that they can proceed to print their JAMB admission letter. Now this is the procedure. Go to your SMS. You can see a start chat here. Go to your SMS. Now what are you sending to JAMB? Now mind you, the SIM card you are going to select to send a message to JAMB must be the SIM card you use to register JAMB. I mean, the SIM card you use to generate your profile code. So if that SIM has lost, then you only have another method for you to accept your admission, and the method is just one. But before that, let me explain for those that have their JAMB SIM card. I mean the SIM card they used to register JAMB. So let me assume this SIM 1 is the SIM card I used to register JAMB. So let me select it. So let me select this SIM here. So I've selected the SIM 1. Then you can see this is 2. 2 means who are you sending the number to, right? So you are sending something to 55019. Can you see? You are sending something to 55019. So let me select 55019 here. Now look at the way the whole message looks like. You are sending something to 55019. Please don't send anything to 66019. Only send it to 55019. Listen to my instruction. So after that, then go to this message here. As you can see, now what are you going to type in this SMS to 55019? Then what you're going to type is that you're going to type your registration number. Let me assume 2026, and let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let me just guess this particular number. So once you have typed your registration number, it used to end with 2 alphabets. Let's say GH. So you're going to enter a registration number. Now let me count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let me just delete one number here. So this is how registration number used to look like. Then after you have done that, then you can see I've written I just guessed the registration number. So once you have done that, then space it once. After spacing it once, then in capital letter type accept. Can you see? Type accept in capital letter. And if you want to reject the admission to in capital letter, you're also going to type reject in capital letter. You can see that after the T there is a space. So cancel the space bar. Can you see the way it looks like? Then once you have done this, you can see to 55019. So just send it like this. Do you see this now? So I've sent it. Now it says that messages would like to send a message 5019. If I want to do so, I'll just click on send. But since I don't want to send anything, then I'll click on cancel. You can see that's why I said not sent, because I cancelled it. So this is what I'm going to send to JAMB. Once you have sent this, in 1 minute, you're going to get a response back, whereby you receive a response that your message has been received and is being processed, blah, blah, blah. Like you're going to get a response. So that response is to tell you that this thing will cost you 100 naira service charge. So it simply means that you must have 100 naira airtime on your line on the SIM card you used to register JAMB. 100 naira airtime, not bonus. Take note. Before it was 50 naira, but now it is 100 naira airtime you must have on your line. So after you have received that message, the one I said earlier, you will now still receive another message again that will contains your name, just your name alone. I mean your name. So once you receive that, that means your admission has been accepted, and that's how to accept admission from JAMB. So once you have done this, then the next thing you are going to do is that you just go down to your portal. You log into your portal to go and print your admission data immediately. Even it does not even take 1 minute to process. Once you have accepted the admission, automatically your admission letter is ready for you to go and print and download from your portal. Yeah, I've also made a video of how you can print your admission letter yourself using your phone. If you're interested in it, go to the comment section and request for the link of how to print your admission letter yourself. I will send you the YouTube video for you to watch that will guide you through. And for those of you that you have lost your JAMB SIM card, I mean, you don't have your JAMB SIM card. So the solution to it is that just go to any nearby CBT center to go and accept your admission. Now, when you get there, they will ask you of your registration number. Once you tell them, then they will thumbprint for you. You are going to thumbprint before you can be able to accept your admission. After the thumbprinting, automatically your admission has been accepted. If this video is helpful to you, if you found this video useful to you for 2026 aspirant, so do well to share this video to other UTME students. Give us a like, thumb, and a nice comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.